Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Gerard, author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. His work can be found at DannyGS.thoughtfortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Releasing and letting go. Letting go is releasing everything that is hindering us from personal growth and fulfillment. It's releasing what's no longer serving us, so we may walk steadfastly and unwaveringly to our dreams. When we let go, we allow ourselves to be in alignment with the divinity that we are, while allowing our lives to flourish and prosper to our divine mission. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And I believe letting go is key to everything, to wanting everything that you've ever desired. I believe when you hold on to negative thoughts and negative situations that happen to you, that blocks your love, and it blocks you from putting out your good vibrations so you're in alignment with the future that you desire and love and dream about. I believe if you let go of everything negative, you'll be so much happier. Sometimes it's hard to let go of things. You believe that you were right, they were wrong. Don't worry about that. Those things don't matter. Deep down in our soul, there's no right or wrong to our soul, to God. We're here to learn and to have experiences. So when you hold on to things, you can't grow, I believe. I believe if you have love, you'll forgive everybody for anything. If you have true love, it's hard to come by. You have to dig deep, slow your vibrations, get in alignment. Every day, stay in alignment. I believe letting go is key. Gotta let go of those things. What's the point? What's the point of hating something? How does that help your soul grow? I believe it doesn't. I believe if you let go, I believe if you follow love, you'll always be happy. And you'll get everything you've ever desired. You truly have to let go, though. Not just say it. You have to believe it. Dig deep. You can do it. There's tons of teachers out there that can teach you this. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you have a beautiful day.